Dealing with this? You're delivering photos and videos to a client and you want an identical look. You need to convert your preset into a LUT to use in DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere. But the traditional way takes way too much time. I have a better way for you, where you can convert your preset to a LUT in just 3 clicks. And you know what's the best part? It's absolutely free. Let's do it. First of all, I'd like to show you the standard way using a so-called HALD image. You have to download a LUT generator. Next, you have to generate a HALD image. You have to upload that into Lightroom. You have to apply the preset to it. You have to choose the settings, apply your settings to it, export the image, and upload it back into the HALD image generator. This whole process took me almost 10 minutes the first time. I made several mistakes, and realistically, I only succeeded on the 3rd try. Now I'd like to show you how I do it using my plugin and how it can all be done very simply in just 3 clicks. So let's open Lightroom, where we have wedding photos edited by me. I chose this photo, but you can choose practically any of them because I have the same settings everywhere. So we'll go to Library, Plugin Extras, Export Preset. So we'll select the desktop, write for example, Preset Marek, and then click on the Save button. Now we'll wait a moment. On the left, we can see the process running, and once it's done, we click OK. We'll go to DaVinci Resolve, and here we'll go to the bottom right to Project Settings, Color Management, open a LUT folder. And I'll also open my desktop. First, I'll copy my LUT, which is the file I want to use. Then, with the folder open in DaVinci Resolve, I can go anywhere inside that folder and simply click Paste. This will add the LUT to the folder, making it available for my project. Then we go back to DaVinci Resolve and go to Update Lists. Click Save. Now we can go to the color page and apply the LUT. So we go to LUT and select by name, Preset Marek. And now we can see that we have exactly the colors applied that I actually use on my photos. We can enlarge it, and we see that it looks absolutely great. So that's all. Preset the LUT in 10 seconds. Feel free to download the plugin. It's available completely for free on my website. Thanks, leave a like and have a great one.